Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. You talk about running shoes at lunch. Later, your phone shows you an ad for running shoes. The first thought is obvious. Did my phone listen to me? Today, let's answer that like an engineer. The short answer is, usually, the ad system does not need your microphone. In May 2026, the Federal Trade Commission announced an active listening advertising case. Companies had promoted a service that supposedly targeted people using conversations from smart devices. The FTC said the service was not actually based on voice data, but the real ad system is often built from quieter signals. So how can talking or even just thinking about something seem to become an ad? There are several realistic paths. First, conversation can trigger behavior. At lunch, you and a friend talk about running shoes. Later, your friend searches, opens a store page, or taps a review. That store page may have a pixel, cookie, or app event that reports, "This browser looked at running shoes." Now, the ad system does not know your lunch conversation. It knows a nearby person, related account, household, or device graph just showed running shoe intent. If your phones are often in the same home, office, car, school, or location pattern, the system may infer that you belong to a useful audience cluster. Second, you may have produced earlier weak signals. Maybe you watched fitness videos, maybe you once browsed sportswear, maybe your household already bought related products. Third, you may match people who are behaving like you. If people with similar routines, apps, location patterns, and purchases start buying shoes, the model may predict you are a good candidate too. None of those signals proves you said or even searched running shoes. Together, they can make the system confident enough to show you a running shoe ad. So the conversion is not usually speech to text to ad. It is often life pattern to tracking event to audience, audience to auction, auction to ad. The FTC describes tools like cookies, pixels, device fingerprinting, advertising identifiers, browsing history, location, and cross-device tracking. One signal is weak. Thousands of signals become a profile. Then comes prediction. The ad platform asks, people with patterns like this, in this location, on this device, at this time, are likely to care about what? That is a ranking problem. Many candidate ads compete. The system scores them using targeting rules, bid price, expected click rate, conversion history, and policy filters. The winner appears. So why does it feel like listening? Because conversations and tracking both follow your real life. You talk about things you already care about. Then you, your friend, your household, or people similar to you may search, shop, move, or click around the same topics. The ad system only needs one of those traces to enter the pipeline. You notice the creepy match and forget the 100 irrelevant ads that missed. That does not mean microphones never matter. A phone can capture audio when an app has microphone access or when a voice assistant is active. That is why platform controls matter. On iPhone, Apple says an orange indicator means an app is using the microphone, and App Privacy Report can show recent sensor and network access. On Android, Privacy Dashboard can show which apps used permissions and when. Android Developer Guidance says Android 9 and higher block microphone or camera access while an app is in the background. Those controls do not make privacy perfect, but they give you evidence. The engineering reason secret always on ad listening is unlikely, as the default business model is simple. Audio is expensive, sensitive, battery heavy, legally risky, and easier for platforms to expose. Metadata is cheaper, it is already structured, and it is often enough. In simple terms, your phone usually does not need to secretly listen to make ads feel creepy. The ad system is listening to your behavior, not with ears, but with events, identifiers, location, relationships, and prediction models. That is the lesson for engineers. Privacy is not only about microphones, it is about the invisible data pipeline around the microphone. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish and share this episode with one friend who likes technology. I will see you in the next episode.